In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable two-factor authentication in Basecamp. Before we begin, a quick note. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your account, so only turn it off if you're sure it's the right move for you. If you just need to change your 2FA method or update devices, consider doing that instead of disabling. With that said, here's how to turn it off for your own account from inside Basecamp. First, make sure you're logged into Basecamp, typically through your web browser. If you aren't already signed in, do that now so you can access your account settings. Once you're in, look for your profile avatar, usually in the upper corner. Click your avatar to open your personal settings menu. This is the quickest way to get to the security options tied to your account. From the menu, open the page labeled Profile, Password, 2FA. Depending on which Basecamp interface you're using, you might see it called Login and Security instead. Both lead to the same place, your login and two-factor settings. If the layout looks a little different on your screen, don't worry. Just look for the section that covers your password and two-factor authentication. On that page, find the link that says something like Change 2FA settings. This is the same area you used when you originally set up two-factor authentication. Click it to open the detailed 2FA settings. Here, you should see an option to disable two-factor authentication. Go ahead and click that option to start the process. For security, Basecamp may ask you to confirm your identity. You might be prompted to enter your account password or to provide a recovery code if you set one up. Enter the requested information carefully. If you have recovery codes saved, make sure they're accessible. They can be helpful if you're ever locked out. Once you've provided the confirmation it asks for, you'll see a final prompt to confirm the disable action. Review the message so you understand that two-factor will be turned off, then confirm to complete it. After you confirm, two-factor authentication is disabled for your account. Keep in mind, this means your account will rely on your password alone, so it's a good idea to use a strong, unique password and keep it updated. If you change your mind later, you can come back to the same area and re-enable two-factor at any time. That's all it takes to turn off 2FA in Basecamp safely and confidently.